Shocking video, Montego Bay vendor's unsanitary act sparks outrage. Viral video of a Montego Bay vendor urinating in public ignites social media fury. Public health officials are now investigating the unsanitary act. Outrage has swept across social media after a disturbing video surfaced showing a female vendor in Montego Bay, St. James, engaging in an unsanitary act. The shocking footage, which has now gone viral, depicts the vendor urinating into a half-cut plastic bottle in the vicinity of Charles Gordon Market. The video has left many questioning the hygiene standards of food vendors and the oversight of public health authorities. The nearly 2-minute clip, recorded by a passerby, shows the woman casually urinating while seated at the side of an open minibus. Unaware that she was being filmed, the vendor proceeds to pour the contents of the makeshift container into a whole plastic bottle. She then places the container inside the vehicle, wipes herself with a small rag, and continues about her day without washing her hands, a detail that has particularly horrified viewers. Public health officials in St. James quickly took note of the incident. Reports indicate that the woman, believed to be elderly, was located on Saturday. A formal report is being prepared, and there is a possibility of action being taken against the vendor for violating public health regulations. The video has drawn widespread condemnation, with many comparing the incident to the infamous Alice 2.0 situation. This reference harks back to a previous viral scandal involving Alice Waugh, a crab vendor who was caught on camera defecating near food items at Heroes Circle in Kingston last October. The comparison has reignited discussions about the sanitary conditions in markets and the responsibilities of vendors. Social media reactions to the video have been intense, with a majority of users expressing disgust and concern. "This is unsanitary and unacceptable behavior, especially from someone handling food," one commenter wrote. Others, however, have criticized the person who filmed the video, accusing them of trying to embarrass the vendor rather than address the sanitary issue. Unpopular opinion: the person who filmed this didn't do it for sanitary reasons but to embarrass the woman, one Instagram user commented. Another user echoed this sentiment, arguing that the vendor might not have had access to nearby restroom facilities. Market bathrooms are notoriously filthy. What if she had no other option? Still, the majority of comments were less forgiving. "This is Alice 2.0. We need to hold our vendors to higher hygiene standards," a concerned viewer declared. The incident has sparked renewed calls for better restroom facilities in public markets and stricter enforcement of health regulations. Some users have pointed out that while the vendor's actions were unhygienic, the lack of proper facilities may have forced her into this situation. In conclusion, the viral video has not only raised concerns about food safety, but has also highlighted the need for improved sanitation in public spaces. Authorities are urged to take swift action to prevent such incidents from occurring in the future. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for the latest updates on this developing story and other news that matters to you. We are committed to keeping our readers informed as new information becomes available.